Hi, my name's Chris Cold. I'm here in Irvine, California at Laguna Tools, and today we're going to be cutting out a stand for one of my dirt bikes on our fiber laser, and then finishing it on our Supermax Super Brush. Okay, so now we're here at the machine. I have designed a file using a CAD software. I've imported it as a DXF, which is what this machine accepts. One of the nice features about this control is I'm actually able to edit the file in the controls. So what it does is it allows you to actually select the specific piece. So if you have samples or scraps laying around, you can utilize as much of the material as you can. Another nice feature about this machine is the controls. This is a Wi-Fi controller. It allows you to actually be able to be mobile, well-controlling machine. It's great for setting your origin, also for safety aspects as well. If there is a part that flips up, you're able to pause the machine so that way you don't damage anything. So now we're just about ready to cut. My file is all set in the software. I just need to set my origin, frame it so that way it's inside the workpiece that I have to cut on, and hit start. All right, it looks like all of our pieces are cut. Now it's time to pull them off, put them on the Super Brush. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like more information on any of the products you saw today, you can contact us at 1-800-234-1976. Please click the link to subscribe so you can see more projects like this.